were being trolled for something. It was a beautiful post. I think you were dancing or something like
Chavi, I
that.
was dancing and this person has said, "आप मर क्यों नहीं जाते?" That hit me bad.
Meet Jamie Lever. She's not just daughter of the legendary Johnny Lever, but a talented stand-up comic, a singer, dancer, actor, basically an all-rounder herself. हम इनसे बात करेंगे about the other side of nepotism, the pressure of being a star kid, but primarily about the growing online trolling and how to deal with it.
You have to learn to ignore these things. You have to learn to just let them go and keep doing the work you're doing. My dad was very hard on me. He was very strict with me. He was very not easily impressed by anything I did. Because my dad's like, तुम जब बाहर दुनिया में जाओगी ना, लोग तरह तरह की चीज़ें कहेंगे. And I don't want you to come back home crying. तुम यहाँ रहो, घर पे रहो, चलेगा. बाहर नहीं रोना.
Let's talk a little about the psyche of trolls, coming back to trolls. Why do you think they do it?
I think it's just hurt people. They are somewhere lost, they are hurt, they are angry, frustrated with society, frustrated with people's fame, and they can see your success, your following, the money you're making.
I was trolled for losing hair and somebody said कि इलाज कराओ आपके तो बाल झड़ रहे हैं.
मुझे भी बोला है किसी ने, आपको PRP की ज़रूरत है.
Tell me, how do you differentiate between a troll and actual genuine criticism?
I used to read कि is this constructive criticism which will help me grow, or this is just people being nasty? 90% were just the latter.
Okay.
So I was always told that big hips are an embarrassment and you have to cover them up. It's taken me a lot of years to realize that this is beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, my curves are beautiful, and some people aspire to have a body like mine.
Me, I have worked hard for 1.5 years to grow them by 2 inches. And what do you have to talk about validation? Personally, जो in comments को लेते हैं creators, it's because they are on the platform for validation.
But even me too.
So happy to see you.
Happy to see you as well. Finally today. Huh?
Yes, I'm BTS के नीचे.
Hi everyone.
You want to have some like coffee?
Not home.
Black coffee? Oh, chai? Chai? हाँ.
Of course. कब आएगा मेरा टिक्शू? चुपके रात दिन आंसू बहाना याद. Wow, so good.
Hi guys. मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि पिछले सब्सक्रिप्शन कॉल के बाद बहुत से लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. आज का एपिसोड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. हमने ट्रोलिंग के बहुत रेलेवेंट टॉपिक पर डिस्कशन की है और ऐसे और बहुत से टॉपिक्स हैं जिन पर मैं इस शो में डिस्कशन करना चाहती हूँ बहुत सारे अलग अलग गेस्ट्स के साथ. बट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी पॉसिबल विदाउट योर सपोर्ट. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द पॉडकास्ट or follow me on any of the audio platforms that you use, Spotify, Amazon, Apple. और मुझे ये भी बताइए कि और किस तरह के टॉपिक्स पर आप चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर डिस्कशन हो. Thank you so much for watching. Over to the episode. So you know what we are talking about today, na?
Yes.
Trolling.
Yes.
You have experience in that regard.
Yes, you know it.
I know it.
You know it. Yeah.
So, okay, how do you pronounce your name? Jamie?
So, this is another story altogether. It's actually Jamie.
Yeah.
But my childhood years, growing up years, my parents mispronounced it and they called me Jamie. Because when they opened the baby names book and then they were like, अरे कितना cute है, Jamie. So फिर वो Jamie ही पड़ गया. तो मेरी पूरी life, मतलब early 15 years, it was Jamie in school. And then I became popular because वो राहुल द्रविड़ वाला ad आया था, Jammy भी छोटा jam. So then I was that kid. उसके बाद I went to London to study, did my post graduation. तो वहाँ पर they were like, no child, it's Jamie, it isn't Jamie.
Oh my God.
It's Jamie, what are you talking about? And I said, oh yeah, फिर identity crisis हो गई. So that another 5 years of struggling with J. And
Yeah.
finally I'm at Jamie today.
Jamie? Okay, great.
So it is Jamie.
Because I heard some interview of yours 6 years ago and you were calling yourself Jamie.
Yeah.
And I got very confused. I was like, shit, I thought
I
it's
told
Jamie.
you ना, identity crisis.
Okay, चलो अभी हो गया ना solve.
नहीं अभी सॉर्ट हो गया है.
ठीक है,
अभी
good.
उम्र भी हो गई है तो भी
उम्र हो गई है?
हाँ.
इतनी जल्दी?
हाँ मतलब I'm feeling old now.
What am I feeling then? Ancient.
No, you are young and happening and cool. Listen, you are killing it. I'm so inspired by you, just by the way.
Oh, thank you so
I
much.
really am. I really am inspired by your journey and everything you're doing. I've followed even your other works that you did, like on the digital platforms. You did it when nobody was doing it. So you really paved the way for a lot of actors who could imagine कि अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है. You could produce your own show, you could make your own show, and it could be something, you know, अगर आपके पास टीवी पे आप काम नहीं कर रहे हैं या कहीं और नहीं, तो ये हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ,
So
that
it
was
was
actually
really
the idea.
inspirational.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. But you know, आप कितना भी अच्छा काम करें डिजिटल पर या कहीं पर भी,
Yeah.
आपको कोई ना कोई ट्रोल करने वाला मिल ही जाता है. सो इवन SIT पर हालांकि वी मेक वेरी फैमिली व्यूइंग कंटेंट जिसमें एकदम कुछ स्लीव्स भी नहीं होता, क्लीन होता है, तो भी वहाँ ट्रोलिंग हो जाती है. सो टुडे we are going to talk about trolls on social media, online trolls, and even a little bit of offline trolls.
Yeah.
So, Jamie, tell me your experience with online trolls.
So when I started making content, particularly around the COVID के time पे, where there was no entertainment, and I was like, okay, I will entertain people online. I didn't make too much of it. I was like, you know, I'm just doing it मेरे खुद के entertainment के लिए, and I want to keep myself busy. And I was like, I have 100K followers. I just want to, you know, make them laugh. And it was just that pure intention कि हाँ भाई ये करना है. And then the comments started coming. I have to say, touch wood, I've always gotten like really positive, good comments. Also because of a lot of my dad's fans started following me, so I had their love and warmth and acceptance. लेकिन फिर अचानक से I'm just like, you know, 1 in 10, एक कोई या 1 in 20, एक कोई होता था, it would be such a nasty comment. And I would be like, ये क्या है? I mean, what is the motive? ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? And really nasty, saying something about either my appearance or about my body. And so there's a lot of body shaming, a lot of comments on my nose or my color, the color of my skin, or even what I was doing. You know, if I was imitating somebody, then they would just compare it to somebody. Like एक बार किसी ने मुझे early days में किसी ने कहा, तुम चुड़ैल जैसी क्यों हंसती हो? And I'm like, but ये क्या है? मतलब where is this coming from? So much hate and anger, where is this coming from? I'm not doing anything to make you angry. I'm getting the laughs and I can prove it to you from the views. I can prove it to you. And then suddenly you're telling me, कोई एक बंदा कहता कि हाँ मैं चुड़ैल जैसी हंस रही हूँ, या somebody's even called me a hijra.
Oh my God.
You know, and it's not an insult, but I'm saying, but why would you make a comment like that?
So how do you deal with it?
So initially I was a bit shocked, to be honest, and I was like, where is this coming from? I was shocked, and then somebody told me, just start ignoring it. And I was like, okay, I will do it. But then जैसे आपके followers बढ़ते हैं, hate भी बढ़ता है, and then there's a lot of like mixed comments coming, कभी कोई कुछ बोले, then I started blocking these people. I was like, okay, that's the one way कि जहाँ I'm not seeing them at all ना, मैं completely ignore कर रही हूँ. So I was sitting and blocking each and every bad comment that came on my page, on my feed. But then how much can you do?
Absolutely.
I don't have the time to sit and block each and every comment. तो अब ऐसा हो गया कि I have just decided to ignore, because I realized, I sat with myself and I thought, wait, is this comment helping me grow? No, it isn't. Are they really commenting on what I'm doing, on my art, on my craft? No, they're not. So I had to really explain to myself कि इनका motive क्या है, and then I realized, okay, they're only doing it for attention, because एक आध बार when I have reacted, then they would come back and say, oh sorry, हमने तो बोला नहीं था, or they'd quickly delete the comment also. So then I realized, okay, they're only doing it for attention. And honestly, the movie that that came out, Kho Gaye Hum Kahan, I could relate to it, because I realized hurt people. And that was my only understanding from it. So they're hurt somewhere and they just want to hurt somebody. There's nothing personal, I guess. But yeah, they're just hurt somewhere.
So I remember the first time that you and I interacted on Instagram, you were being trolled for something. It was a beautiful post. I think you were dancing or something like that.
I was dancing, and this person has said, आप मर क्यों नहीं जाते?
Yeah, I remember. Yes.
And
Horrific.
that hit me bad. And I, for the first time in my life, I've been working for now 12 years. The first time in my chota sa career, I have gone on social and said something like, how could you say something like this? Like, you want me to die? Is that what you're asking me to do? Like, go die, end my life? How can you go to that extreme? And what is my job? My job is to spread happiness and make you laugh. I'm doing social work basically.
Yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
हम social work कर रहे हैं, हम actors जब entertain कर रहे हैं, हम social work कर रहे हैं. तो हम तो आपको खुश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और आप चाहते हो कि मैं अपनी लाइफ ही एंड कर दूँ. ये इतना नास्टी कैसे हो सकता है? इतना कोई एक्सट्रीम कैसे सोच सकता है? एंड देन सो यू नो व्हेन आई पुट दैट अप, यू वर द वन हु you commented and you said no, but you know, just ignore this is, you know, don't pay attention to all of this, and that helped me a little bit. Then there was another artist who called me immediately and he said, you know, you shouldn't be reacting to comments like this. And I said, but how do you ignore something like this? This is really extreme. And then he said, this is Nasir Bhai, who is Johnny Walker G's son.
Right.
And he told me that this one time Johnny Walker G was going somewhere and somebody threw a stone at him. और उनको चोट लग गई. And he said something like, you know, everybody got really upset कि हाँ हम कुछ करें. And then he said, नहीं कुछ नहीं करना. And he just kept walking and, you know, went about his day. So he said, उतना भी होता है कि कोई आपको hurt करे, physically harm करे. ये वैसा तो नहीं है. Yes, this is digital trolling, which is equally bad. In today's day and age, this is the same thing.
Exactly.
But he said you have to learn to ignore these things. You know, you have to learn to just let them go and keep doing the work you're doing.
Then there are people like me.
Yes.
I can't ignore. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली दैट यस इग्नोरिंग 100%.
Yeah.
आई मीन ये सब ट्रोल्स जो हैं वो अटेंशन के लिए ये सब करते हैं. द मोर अटेंशन यू गिव देम द वर्स इट बिकम्स. सो आई फील दैट दिस इज द वे आई डील विद देम कि मैं वो कमेंट का स्क्रीनशॉट मार के उनका नाम हटा देती हूँ सो दैट आई डोंट गिव देम पर्सनली एनी अटेंशन. बट देन आई पुट आउट अ पोस्ट गिविंग अ apt reply to the person who's trying to troll me. And I've been trolled for my cancer. Who trolls people
terrible.
for cancer?
That's terrible.
मेरे
You've been
बाल
an
नहीं गिरे
inspiration
और मेरा
for-
कीमोथेरेपी नहीं हुआ. Does that mean my cancer is not real? I've been told your cancer is not real, you're faking it. So I feel that there must be a lot of other people like me, you know, in real life who are going through these things and they don't know how to deal with it. So at least for them, my messaging is for them, not for the troll. It's for them. कि ऐसे लोग आएंगे, like you're saying, ये होगा. You don't have to let it affect you.
Yeah, don't
you
have
know,
to let
I wanna ask you also कि you said you've been around for 12 years.
Yeah.
How long have you been there on social media?
Actively, I would say last 4-5 years.
So how long did it take you to understand and get this wisdom that I should not let it bother me?
Yeah, I think I'm still understanding. Honestly, I'm still struggling every day because every day I see my social, if I go into my comment section and I read, then there's something new, something बहुत ही bizarre that somebody wants to do just to get your attention, to upset you in that day. And I'm just like, every day I'm just like motivating myself. And I think, you know, the only person who can help you is you.
Yeah.
To be honest, आप कितना भी कोई भी आपको बोल दे, you have to fight it, that negative thought, and you have to keep moving forward. So I was just like, you know, every day I'm reading something and every day I'm just like, no, this is not me, this is not the truth. The truth is I am unique, I am talented, I am hardworking, and I'm doing that work. I'm proving myself every day.
Absolutely. And I'm
So-
totally in awe of you because you sing so well, you dance so well, you are a great mimicry artist, you're a stand-up comic, you are a talent house. फिर भी लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ मिल ही जाता है.
हाँ तो
बोलने के लिए.
इमेजिन दिस कि आपके वैसे ही कितने बैटल्स हैं टू सर्वाइव इन दिस फील्ड बिकॉज देयर सो मच कंपटीशन. छवि, यू नो दिस, यू नो वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फीलिंग लाइक हाउ डू आई, ये तो हमने कर लिया, आगे कैसे करें और क्या करें और क्या करें टू सर्वाइव.
Absolutely.
यू आर डूइंग सो मच एंड यू आर फाइटिंग एवरी डे to make the money, to show your presence, you know, to prove
Keep
yourself.
coming up with new
Yeah,
ideas all the
you're
time.
doing all
So
that.
do you think these trolls, when you
Yeah.
get a hate comment, does
Yeah.
it affect your work?
Um,
You doubt yourself?
Yes, so I have actually faced a lot of criticism in my growing up years also. So I am somebody who struggled, you know, with my with my insecurities, with my body type, with my, you know, my appearance. So I've had to fight all of that. So after doing that and becoming who I am today, I'm yet fighting, you know, because of everything, because of the trolls and the negative comments that I get online. So yes, it does affect you, especially that, you know, I'll tell you one thing. So when I was growing up, I was constantly told that my nose is too big. Okay.
Okay.
And one time, very casually, I was doing a photo shoot, and somebody said, I think the makeup artist said, "Iska cutting करना पड़ेगा, नाक बहुत बड़ा है." And that really, it hit hard because as a child I was told that, तो वो एक trigger हो गया. And then the same thing I read online, and it breaks you because it's like you're never going to be good enough. आप कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो. I used to be an obese kid. I've had a weight loss journey. I've struggled with my weight. I've had PCOS. So all these things I'm battling with already. No, I don't talk about this because I don't like to give it too much attention and, you know, too much importance. But this is my journey. And then you're constantly reminding this person of, ये है, आप ऐसे दिखते हो, आप सावले हो, आप काली हो, आप ये क्यों नहीं. And it does break you. It does. But I am a very spiritual person, and then I will just go back to, you know, thinking, you know, God made me unique, and He created me beautifully and fearfully, and I'm beautifully and fearfully made. And then I just have to remind myself that that is my reality. That is at the core of, you know, who I am. So it takes, it just really takes time to kind of believe that. And to come to that, you know, understanding कि हाँ ये है, this is who I
also
am.
want to remind you that
Yeah.
this is also a constant reminder of your victories. You're saying you were an obese kid. I cannot picture that because to me
Yeah.
you're perfectly fine and your complexion is glowing.
Thank you.
For me that is important and you look beautiful.
Thank
so
you.
this is a constant reminder of your victories as well. And also I think जितने आप popular होते हो उतने ही आपके थोड़े hate comments भी बढ़ेंगे ना. So it's also a constant reminder of your getting popular and successful.
True. But I'll tell you one thing, Chavi, when I was in India, I think it's an Indian thing. यहाँ पर बहुत आपको realize कराया जाता है कि आप ऐसे दिखते हो या ये नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे beauty standards अलग हैं. But I've lived abroad for 3 years when I was studying in the UK. And that was a completely different time for me where people just appreciated my my looks, my body, and I was constantly told, "Oh, you're so beautiful," and it was very shocking to me कि कोई मुझे beautiful,
Wow.
you know, सोच सकता है कि ये लड़की beautiful है, and that I think that helped me grow, and my personality also grew a lot when I was abroad. But then imagine that 3 साल आप वहाँ रहे हो, and then you come back to India to again,
The
the same thing. So I feel like now people have to really, in our country, and we are also changing with time, with society, and we're also changing and adapting to new things. And but I think, initially it was difficult.
And I also want to talk a little about how youngsters take this trolling. And I have, there's this creator that I follow on Instagram. I don't know her. She's not a celebrity.
Yeah.
I just came across her profile and she's gorgeous to look at. And she does amazing content.
Yeah.
उसके सिर्फ transition reels होते हैं. लेकिन
अच्छा.
म्यूजिक के हर बीट पे कुछ ना कुछ transition, you know how it's
Yeah.
seamless.
Yeah, it's a
And
lot
I'm
of hard work.
Like totally a fan of hers. She has
Yeah.
about 1 million followers.
Wow.
And I was seeing her stories and I was very disappointed to see some hate that she was receiving because she has pimples. She's a growing girl. मतलब
Yeah.
20-25 साल की
But who doesn't? Everybody struggles with acne.
she's getting comments कि आप मोटे हो गए हो. Okay, then there's this comment that she says बाकी आपके जैसे बाकी लोगों को तो इतने ब्रांड डील्स मिलते हैं, आपको ब्रांड डील्स क्यों नहीं मिल रहे? आपके फॉलोअर्स तो 1 मिलियन पे कब से स्टक हैं? And poor kid is just struggling with it. So what do you want to say to youngsters like these who are content creators अपने आप without any education in it or any formal training in it, या उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं देखा, आसपास किसी को नहीं देखा, खुद अपने बल पर खड़े हुए हैं, अपना प्लेटफॉर्म 1 million is a big deal. I don't have 1 million followers. It's a big
It's a lot,
deal.
yeah.
So what do you want to say to these kind of youngsters who are being trolled for ridiculous reasons?
Yeah, I think never stop believing. It's a very cliche line, but really never stop believing in yourself and your purpose and your vision. Because I think there's hate online on digital platforms, but there's hate everywhere. If you're out there in the world, also somebody will have something nasty to tell you. Somebody will have some negativity to give you and throw shade and have bad stuff to say because they're jealous of your success.
Jealous.
They are. Yeah, I think there's jealousy there because they can't ever reach there. They know it. That's the reality. They can't ever do what these people are doing. What content creators are doing. No,
Yeah,
I think it comes from jealousy. They know that ये लोग actually successful हैं. Listen, how much are content creators earning these days?
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. It's a lot of money, and it's amazing how they're doing it.
True.
Some of the content creators are huge right now.
Yeah,
you
it's
know,
unbelievable.
And they are so confident कि भाई मेरे को मुझे मूवी में नहीं करना काम. That's not कि सबका वो होता है ना कि भाई मूवी में करे काम. That's the big job. नहीं मूवीज नहीं करना, मैं तो यहाँ बैठे बैठे इतना कमा रहा हूँ, आधे घंटे में आई एम अर्निंग सो मच मनी. सो आई थिंक there's jealousy there कि these guys will never reach where these talented people are today.
And I think it takes a lot to put yourself out there.
Oh, it does.
For anybody and everybody to judge you
Yeah.
and pass a comment, good,
Yeah.
bad, anything. And
Yeah.
I think everybody has a reaction.
Yeah.
तो अच्छा भी हो सकता है, बुरा भी हो सकता है. So definitely never take it to heart. And
No.
I think as a social media creator, it's important for everybody to understand that आप हक दे रहे हो दूसरे को कुछ बोलने का. Of course,
Yeah, we are on a public
there is
platform.
a limit. Yeah.
तो एक you're at their disposal, वो definitely कुछ बोलेंगे, they will bash you, thrash you. तो वो चीज़, in fact, my dad also told me. He said, so when I started working, my dad was very hard on me. Very hard. He was very strict with me. He was very like not easily impressed by anything I did. So that's why my training is very like, you know, tough. I had dance training, singing training, Urdu classes, Hindi classes. ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने की हैं. Because my dad's like, तुम जब बाहर दुनिया में जाओगी ना, लोग तरह तरह की चीज़ें कहेंगे. And I don't want you to come back home crying to me. It's going to happen. So I will be tough on you and I will train you in such a way कि तुम यहाँ रहो, घर पे रहो, चलेगा, बाहर नहीं रोना. You know? So I think that is the reason why I have this tough exterior where I'm not going to get easily affected by anything people say. I've had my tough training already. It's like मैं आर्मी के स्कूल से बाहर निकली हूँ.
That's so
और
wonderful.
कोई सोच नहीं सकता कि कॉमेडी इतनी टफ होगी, बट हमारे घर में इट्स लाइक माय डैड वाज नेवर इजी ऑन मी. मैं रोते रोते जोक्स बोले, एक आदमी ऐसे रोड पे जाता है, ये ठीक है, ऐसे ठीक से बोला मैंने, एंड my dad said, नहीं फिर से बोलो. You know, he's been really tough on me because he's like, you're going to go out, people are going to say stuff.
Yeah.
They will compare you to me. There will be judgment, there will be comparison. They will say, अच्छा ऐसे बेटी है तो कुछ भी कर लें, हम कुछ भी देख लें क्या. People will say all sorts of things. But you have to, you know, really be confident in your art and be 100% prepared, you know, for whatever.
So
अपनी
I
मेहनत
want
मत
to talk
छोड़ो.
a little about nepotism here now that you mention
Surely.
Johnny Lever.
Of course.
I mean, he's a legend. तो ऐसा सब लोग, मैंने आपकी फीड पे भी थोड़े कमेंट्स पढ़े कि ओ नेपो किड टॉकिंग अबाउट नेपोटिज्म.
Yeah, I think ये word ना बहुत ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा लोग ऐसे ही फेंकते हैं.
तो एक
उछालते
जरा
हैं
थोड़ा
यहाँ
सा
वहाँ.
वो एक डिफरेंट साइड इसकी भी बताइए ना. जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं कि डैड बोलते थे कि मुझसे कंपैरिजन होगा तो सुनना पड़ेगा. यू नो इट्स नॉट इजी टू लिव अप टू दैट स्टैंडर्ड एज वेल. सो
Now, nepotism is where I think where somebody you get that, you have that privilege and somebody helps you and, you know, to get jobs and, you know, or you get easy access into the industry. And अब मेरा ये हुआ था, my dad really did not help me at all. I went and I've auditioned and I've got myself, I could have had a big film launch. I didn't. I started my career from TV. That was my personal choice because I was like, मुझे एक काम मिल रहा है जो मैंने ऑडिशन से क्रैक किया है, और अगर मुझे ये जॉब मिल रही है तो मैं ये करूँगी, और दिस विल बी माई फुट इन द डोर, दिस विल बी माई वे इन टू द इंडस्ट्री. भले कोई भी उसको कुछ भी कहे. मेरे काफ़ी सारे फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम स्कूल वेंट, दे सेड, अरे बट योर जॉनी लीवर्स डॉटर, यार यू शुड कम इन द मूवीज डायरेक्टली ना, व्हाट इज दिस टीवी एंड ऑल. आई सेड व्हाई? I just want a platform.
या
I just need a platform. It doesn't matter what it is. You know, at that time, how TV was looked down upon.
करेक्ट.
You know this.
या
So it was very like, TV, you want to do TV and then this comedy show, please, it's really crass. And they had a lot of things to say, but for me it didn't matter at all. I was like, नहीं, मुझे platform चाहिए. मैं बस तप रही हूँ अंदर. I'm just like, I need a platform to do something, to prove myself. And I started my career like that. My dad did not help me to get there. वहाँ से I got opportunities. People noticed me on the show. And then one thing led to the other. I had more TV jobs. I got landed my first film. And then one thing led to the other. So I feel like right now when people write very casually, nepo kid hai, ye nepo kid hai, I'm just like, I don't relate. वो word मेरे लिए बना ही नहीं है.
हाँ, very true.
मैं बहुत मेहनत करके आई हूँ यार. मैंने छोटे छोटे काम किए. छवि, आई टेल यू व्हाट, रेड कार्पेट पे बड़े सेलेब्स चलते हैं ना, मैंने रेड कार्पेट पे होस्टिंग की है.
हाँ, मैंने भी की है.
हाँ, हमने की है
Yeah, it's
होस्टिंग.
difficult, yeah.
And for me as a star kid, it was
Yeah.
also more difficult. मुझे अपने ईगो को मारना था. I because growing up, I was told कि you will be walking the red carpet. You know, you're Johnny Lever's daughter. You should be launched like this, and you will walk this red carpet. You will be in this award show and go to the film fest and go to this and that. But I was there interviewing new stars and new actors and thinking, you know, काश मैं ये walk कर रही होती. But I'm here interviewing, and I was like, it's okay. It's a job. I'm making good money.
Yeah,
I will do
absolutely.
it. You know, so I've had to fight my ego and really work hard. And I've done छोटे मोटे jobs. I've also done costumes on some short films. किसी की styling मैंने की है. ऐसे छोटे मोटे बहुत किए मैंने. Because I was like, कुछ भी करो, कहीं से भी अपना रास्ता बनाओ, वो important है. तो जब मुझे लोग बोलते हैं nepotism, I'm just like, क्यों बोल रहे हो यार? आपको पता है क्या मेरी journey? Go back and see मैंने क्या क्या किया है. मैं तो आधी चीज़ें बताया भी नहीं है.
And I think it's also so much pressure. I mean, to match up to the standard of your parent,
Yeah.
who's a super celebrity and the only one shining in that genre. And I mean, look at star kids who've not made it as big as their parents. I mean, you could call them also nepo kids, right? और होता क्या है कि I think आप जिस family में पैदा होते हो, of course you'll get the talent from your parents only ना. कुछ उनका आपके अंदर आएगा ना.
अभी आप मुझे बोलोगे, आप कुछ लोग तो मुझे ये बोलते हैं, अरे ये इसको कुछ आता नहीं है, अपने डैड की तरह आंखें बड़ी बड़ी करती है. हम जैसे भाई डीएनए है, मेरी आंखें नेचुरली बड़ी हैं, मैं ऐसे क्या करूं? अगर मैं एक्सप्रेस कर रही हूँ तो मेरी आंखें बड़ी होती हैं यार. मैं किसी और की तरह चेहरा बनाऊंगी तो वो अलग प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी.
Correct.
ये जॉनी लीवर की तरह दिखती नहीं है कहोगे आप, वो एक अलग प्रॉब्लम है. सो आई एम जस्ट लाइक, अगर फैमिली रिजेम्बलेंस है तो वो होगा ही ना यार. मेरा ब्लड है,
करेक्ट.
DNA
या
है.
और डॉक्टर के बच्चे डॉक्टर बनते हैं तब कोई नहीं बोलता.
तब कोई नहीं
nepotism.
बोलता. और ये भी है एंगल कि डॉक्टर जो है अपना हॉस्पिटल खड़ा कर देगा. सो आई फील लाइक नेपोटिज्म जब होता है तो वो ठीक भी है, बिकॉज अगर डॉक्टर जो है अपना हॉस्पिटल बना रहा है, ही वांट्स टू गिव इट टू समबडी ही ट्रस्ट्स.
Yeah.
तो अगर
अंबानी है, अपना बिजनेस बेटे को ही देगा ना.
एग्जैक्टली. तो अगर आप अपने बेटे को सौंप रहे हो, वो भी एक किस्म का नेपोटिज्म हुआ, तो वो एक्सेप्टेड है, तो यहाँ क्यों नहीं?
But like you're saying, your father has trained you so hard for the industry, so you can
Yeah.
face the trolls and you can face the actual physical bullying. Everybody does it with their kids. Yeah, उसमें गलत क्या है?
या
Right?
या
So let's talk a little about the psyche of trolls. Coming back to trolls, why do you think they do it?
Yeah, like I said, I think it's just hurt people. Somewhere they are hurt, somewhere they need the attention, somewhere they are craving for someone to say why and react to you. And that's the only thing I can, you know, वो एक ही मेरे लिए, that is the only logic जो sense बनता है मेरे लिए, कि somewhere they are hurt, somewhere they are irritated, and they are jealous of you, they are jealous of your fame, they are jealous of your position, your fan following. And these people are actually, they are faceless, no?
They are faceless. Yeah. कौन बोलेगा उनको कुछ भी?
Absolutely faceless. And
Would you say real life में भी ये लोग ऐसा ही करते होंगे? नहीं ना?
nahin,
Because there they have a
don't
face.
have the guts.
Yeah.
They don't have the guts to stand up and really say, you know, what they feel. But it's so easy to go on a digital platform. आपका उनके प्रोफाइल पे देखिए, फोटो भी नहीं होता है.
Correct.
नाम भी कुछ XX_YY23145456 होता है.
और followers zero होते हैं.
हाँ, zero
Following
होते हैं.
1500,
बिल्कुल,
2000
बिल्कुल. ऐसे लोग हैं, आपको पता ही नहीं है कौन है. Completely faceless, and they're doing this consistently to beat you down, to push you down. And I'm just like, why? So I feel like, yeah, they are somewhere lost. They are hurt. They are angry, frustrated with society, frustrated with people's fame, and they can see your success, your following, the money you're making. And So I feel like maybe I feel bad for them, to be honest.
Yeah, actually.
मेरे को बुरा लगता है उनके लिए. ये कहीं स्ट्रगल कर रहा है ये इंसान, कहीं फाइनेंशियली उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, कहीं वो सोसाइटी में लॉस्ट है. ही इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग थ्रू, और ही और शी इज़ गोइंग थ्रू टफ टाइम्स, एंड आई फील बैड.
Yeah.
I don't feel bad for myself.
I think
feel bad
it
for
talks
them.
a lot about their own mental health.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. That's why I don't have to feel bad for myself or feel upset. Yeah, I feel upset for them.
I think the last time that I was trolled for my hair. So I wear extensions now because on my cancer treatment my hair has stopped growing as well as they were, and I'm seeing a lot of hair fall.
Yeah.
So when my hair's wet or when I'm in the gym sweating, तो वो थोड़ा दिखता है. So I was trolled for losing hair, and somebody said कि इलाज कराओ, आपके तो बाल झड़ रहे हैं. So I actually sent out a blessing to the troll that you must be going through so much to troll somebody like me for hair. I mean, people actually go bald with cancer.
Yeah.
I haven't gone bald, thankfully. I mean, I thank God for that. But जो भी हो रहा है, it's a struggle for me too.
Yeah.
So God bless you, you know. I mean, for you to think like that.
Yeah.
I mean, इतना कुछ जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो नहीं दिख रहा.
वो नहीं दिख रहा
Literally नहीं दिख रही. आपको ये दिख रहा है कि यहाँ से बाल जा रहे हैं, यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, whatever.
मुझे भी बोला है किसी ने, आपको PRP की ज़रूरत है. Oh, I said, okay, good idea actually. Thank you. Maybe I will consider it, but right now I'm okay. You know? So I'm just like, क्या है इनको, क्या पड़ी है?
Tell me, how do you differentiate between a troll and actual genuine criticism?
Yeah, so I will sit and earlier I used to do this. Initially when I was putting content out, I used to read कि ये is this constructive criticism which will help me grow, or this is just people being nasty and mean to me. 90% were just the latter.
Okay.
मतलब they were just being mean. Then there was another one where I think somebody said ऐसा मत करो ये बुरा लगता है, and I thought okay, this is a good comment.
Yeah.
You know, okay, this could be a little bit hurtful, or maybe I should tweak my content slightly, and I changed that. Then a lot of people, okay, so for me especially because I'm doing mimicry, na, so
Yeah.
people don't understand the concept of mimicry also. They think it's mockery.
Okay.
तो वहाँ कमेंट्स आते हैं कि आप मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, आप इसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, आप चेहरा ये बना रहे हो. मिमिक्री में आप इंसान के बॉडी लैंग्वेज को पकड़ते हो, आप इंसान के मैनरिज्म्स को पकड़ते हो, टोन को पकड़ते हो, आप चेहरा चेंज करते हो, बिकॉज यू वांट टू साक्षात बिकम दैट पर्सन.
Right.
When you see me, I want people to see Farah Khan. You know, when I'm mimicking her, I want to create that entire persona in front of you that लोगों को लगे वाह यार, really she looks like her. And वो comments भी आते हैं when people,
Correct.
my God, you look exactly like her. When you do that, you transform yourself. Or when you mimic Asha ji, you completely transform yourself. It looks like she's sitting in front of me. Or when I close my eyes, I feel like I can hear her. It's that real. And that is the magic of mimicry. But ये लोग समझते नहीं हैं. उनको लगता है ये मॉकरी है. तो उसके मुझे अलग कमेंट्स आते हैं, आप मजाक उड़ाते हो, आप लोगों का, आप ओल्ड एज पे मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, ये लेजेंड हैं, ये हैं. एक बात मैं सोचती हूँ कि ये जो लेजेंड्स हैं, बड़े बड़े स्टार्स हैं, ये जहाँ जहाँ नहीं जा सकते, मैं वहाँ वहाँ जाके इनकी मिमिक्री को रख सकती हूँ, वहाँ वहाँ जाके उनको ज़िंदा रख सकती हूँ. लाइक आई मिमिक श्रीदेवी जी, एंड आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ दैट आई मिमिक हर. शी इज़ नॉट हियर विथ अस, बट आई फील सो, एंड आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ श्रीदेवी जी, एंड I feel proud that I can keep her alive through my mimicry
Yeah.
of her, through my impersonations.
Yeah,
I can keep her alive.
such a beautiful
I remind people of her great works, of her presence and her contribution to our film industry. So I'm proud of what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So don't tell me कि अब मैं किसी का मजाक उड़ा रही हूँ. So for me, I read the comment and I see कि इसमें कितना sense बन रहा है. नहीं, हाँ, कुछ बन रहा है, then I will take that. And then mostly then अगर मुझे लग रहा है ये फिजूल का है, इसने कोई सेंस ही नहीं है, इसमें कोई मतलब नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट गोना डिलीट इट. आई एलिमिनेट.
तो कभी आपको भी ऐसे किसी ने बोला है कि जिसकी मिमिक्री आप कर रहे हो, उन्होंने बोला है कि यू आर ट्रोलिंग मी?
नहीं, किसी भी नहीं.
Like, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आजकल बिकॉज ऑफ सो मच स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी, एंड देयर वाज अ टाइम जब स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी को ऐसे ही लिया जाता था कॉमेडी की तरह. Nobody used to get offended with any of the jokes that people are cracking, but nowadays
अब बहुत सेंसिटिव हो गए.
क्या सोचना पड़ता है, जोक मारने से पहले आपको 10 बार सोचना पड़ेगा, मैं किसी को ऑफेंड तो नहीं कर रही हूँ. तो ऐसा, what do you think about stand up comics nowadays who are actually making fun of people इन प्योर जेस्ट,
Yeah.
उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है, उसमें
हाँ.
कुछ उनका इल विल नहीं है, लेकिन लोगों को लगता है कि ये देखो ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, उनको
हाँ,
ट्रोल कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
तो क्या वो भी ट्रोल्स होते हैं एक तरह के?
देखो अभी आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ द डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म एंड हाउ इजी इट इज़ टू जस्ट से एनीथिंग, इट्स वी हैव टू रियली वॉच आवरसेल्व्स इन व्हाट वी आर सेइंग. सी देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड इंसल्ट कॉमेडी व्हिच इज it is about insulting people.
It's roasting.
It's roasting.
Yeah.
So that is a style of comedy. So if somebody is doing a roast show or insult comedy, one has to go with the mindset कि हाँ मैं यही देखने जा रहा हूँ, तो इसमें शायद आपको थोड़ा what oh ऐसा बोला आपको लगेगा, थोड़ा धक्का पड़ेगा. और हमारी सोसाइटी में थोड़ा सा इट्स अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर अस आई थिंक रोस्टिंग.
Yeah. Do you know that? Have you?
No, I
You
don't.
don't?
I don't.
Okay.
I personally, मुझे नहीं पसंद कोई मेरा मजाक उड़ाए. I'm just like मैं किसी का नहीं उड़ाऊंगी. You know, I personally don't like it, so I wouldn't watch a show like that. I don't even watch shows where they speak foul language. I don't enjoy it personally. Mine is very family. मतलब family style comedy is very family entertainment, साफ सुथरी comedy, and that's my personal choice.
Yeah, absolutely.
जो करते हैं वो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं और मैं नहीं कर सकती यार, वो उनका टैलेंट है, वो मेरा नहीं है.
मुझे ये शोज देखना बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ.
एंड इफ आई गो फॉर अ कॉमिक्स
Yeah.
एक्ट, आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू सिट इन द फ्रंट रो एंड
Oh, to
रेज
get-
माय हैंड.
Oh, you're that person?
I'm that person.
मुझे troll
But
करो.
unfortunately, nobody's ever picked on me because I think probably they feel कि you know
हाँ,
they probably
ये-
recognize
they-
me
they
or
do,
whatever,
do,
and then they
do.
just
Then
like
they also get a little bit
solid ignore मारा जाता है मुझे.
नहीं, but they also get a little bit nervous कि अभी इनको क्या क्या बोले, no? Don't want to upset you.
Sad. Next time I'll wear a mask.
But yeah, that is a style of comedy. So, but I think we Indians are very sensitive. So we have to. Lot of comics have suffered because they've said something, and then बाद में उनको या तो कुछ notice मिला है या धमकी मिली है या कुछ हुआ है. Social media पे उनको ban किया गया है, and they've had to face this, and people have had to go through extreme measures also. You know this.
Yeah.
So we have to really be careful sometimes in our society. We can't. I realize that you can't be इतना भी frank and blunt.
कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकते हो.
नहीं,
Not
नहीं,
at all.
नहीं,
Not at all.
नहीं.
My husband is like that. He's a stand-up comic of his own in a closed circle of friends, and
okay.
I do a lot of BTS content for whatever we are shooting.
Okay.
I have to be very careful about what he's saying,
says.
what I can
Yeah,
put online and not, because he doesn't mean any harm,
Yeah.
but he has a sense of humor like that.
Okay.
So tell me, social media as a platform, क्या कर सकता है to avoid this trolling and to, you know, sort of put a
I think it's
ban on
really
it all?
important that we educate people कि what trolling is really, and you know these comments how they can affect people. And I think a lot of people like you and many others are talking about it and are really educating people on the same subject, and it's really important. I think even for me actively I should be more I should on my platform tell people about, you know, okay, this is not acceptable, you know, and how it can affect somebody. So yeah, I think education is a must, and most of these people who are doing it are uneducated, are illiterate. तो उनको हमें ही समझाना है, और हम जब ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं लोगों को, तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ it's a big advantage for us that we can use this platform to spread awareness. So
And what do you have to talk about validation? Because I think most of the personally जो इन comments को लेते हैं creators, it's because they are on the platform for validation. Like a lot of them are not making money yet,
Yeah.
but they are there for validation.
But even me too, Chavi. Because I have, like I said, I've struggled so much with my insecurities. I'm someone who constantly needs validation, constantly needs to be told, you're doing well, you're looking good, this is fine, your hair is okay, or you're looking pretty today, or wow, you're doing better. I'm someone who needs that. And to be honest, when I came on socials and when I started reading the comments, it was a big boost to my ego. Just to see how much people loved me, and direct आपको validation मिल रहा है ना, कोई वाया नहीं है. जैसे if you're on TV or films or anywhere, it takes time for you to realize, ओ कोई रिव्यू आएगा, फिर कोई आपको कहीं recognize करेगा, कोई आपकी तारीफ करेगा, बहुत later stage में आता है. This is झट आपने डाला, फटाफट आपको कुछ comment आ गया, and you're just like, wow, they really enjoyed this. मेरे लिए बड़ा ego boost है. So I thrive on their validation. So yeah.
Aren't you at some level empowering these trolls by saying that I want you to say good about me, don't say bad about me. I'm looking for you to say good about me.
Yeah.
In a way, right?
Yeah. I really want to, if through this पॉडकास्ट लोग सुन रहे हैं, they should know that, you know, we've gone through so much, and people like me, there's many others who've battled, you know, in their own lives, personal lives, because of, you know, whatever their thing is. My struggle has been my body and my face and everything. तो मुझे वो validation मेरे लिए बहुत important है. So when I see good comments, it really makes my day. I will read, and I go into my DMs sometimes, especially during COVID, there were people writing to me saying, you know, my mom passed away and I was having such a tough time, Jamie. I just saw your videos and it made me smile today. I have not smiled in a week. So those things, it just made me, when I would read comments like this, I would be like, मैं जो काम कर रही हूँ, I can never leave this job. I've got to do this. You know, I've got to keep doing this, be consistent, and keep entertaining people, because I'm doing them service, you know, and it's affecting their lives in such a positive way. So I feel like ये वो validation या वो compliment या जानना कि इतना लोगों से affect हो रहा है, was so important for me. So I will tell everybody कि अगर आप हमारा कंटेंट देख रहे हो तो प्लीज़, यू नो, बी माइंडफुल आप क्या पोस्ट करते हो. किसी का दिन बन सकता है या किसी का मोरल डाउन हो सकता है. मेरा करियर अफेक्ट हो सकता है विद समबडीज कमेंट. यू नो, आई फील लाइक the reason why I've done this job consistently is because of the validation I've gotten, you know, in my initial time when I was posting. अगर अच्छे comments नहीं आते तो मैं क्यों करती.
Correct. You obviously are, as an entertainer, you need encouragement. You need to know whether you're going on the right track.
You do.
And this is like, जैसे daily soaps में TRPs होती हैं, ये TRP होती है हम लोगों की.
And I feel like, you know, now no matter how busy I am, I'm juggling between 4-5 jobs. I'm doing all of this, but अभी मेरे को लगता है नहीं, these people are waiting for my content. They're waiting for my funny video. It's a responsibility now. I feel like यार ये कहाँ जाएंगे? इनको ये एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए. दे आर फॉलोइंग मी फॉर अ रीजन. आई हैव टू गो बैक टू माई सोशल एंड पोस्ट समथिंग फनी. मेरे लिए इट्स अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
Do you ever feel, okay, just a quick thought that's coming in my head, do you ever feel angry कि अच्छा ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, रुको और करती हूँ?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा तो नहीं है, बट आई थिंक इट्स, फॉर मी इट्स वेरी जस्ट पॉजिटिव.
Is it wrong of me to feel like that sometimes?
नहीं, ठीक है, बट दैट्स अ गुड मोटिवेशन ऑल्सो.
So like, I mean, I get also trolled on my gym wear. And I think
and you look amazing and so sexy.
Thank you so much. And also I've struggled a lot to make the body that I've made. You know, I've gone through a very strict diet, and you know, I've had to have increased calorie intake, and you know, weight training kaise karni hai, discipline that I've had. So all of that, and when somebody comments on my clothes, I feel रुक और ले.
It's good. I think अगर वो, that is motivating you to put out more stuff and prove them wrong.
But then I think that's also because it's not part of my work. You know, professionally it doesn't affect me. So I'm like, ठीक है, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? Professional comments, then I'm also a little mindful कि ठीक है, I have to understand what is trolling and what is a actual criticism.
Okay, on those lines, so I only recently started posting in like my gym wear. Initially I didn't, because I struggled with my body type. So I was always told that hips are an embarrassment. Big hips are an embarrassment and you have to cover them up. So growing up years, I've always covered my lower body, like with longer t-shirts or kurtis, and I've always had wardrobe like that. You know, my outfits were that way. It's taken me a lot of years to realize that this is beautiful. You know, my curves are beautiful. And some people aspire to have a body like mine.
Me, I have worked hard for 1.5 years to grow them by 2 inches.
And then also I would give some credit to the Kardashians who've made the booty really famous. So after that, people are like, wow, actually the curves look beautiful. And an Indian woman is a curvy, beautiful woman. Maybe the skin color, you know, and that's how an Indian woman is. So it's taken me time to really be comfortable in my skin. So recently started posting. I post on a regular basis or whatever.
You look really nice.
Thank you. So then people will say, हाँ मोटे हो गए हो, ये ज़्यादा हो गया है.
I think you've lost a lot of weight though.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. From the time I've been following you, you have.
Okay. Good to know. I mean, it's been up and down. You know how weight loss is. And because of PCOS, I struggle. So it goes up and down with me. But then people will say, आप ये क्यों डाल रहे हो? आप बहुत मोटे लग रहे हो. ये ज़्यादा हो गया, whatever. And I'm just like, no. You know, there are other women who are seeing my posts and are getting inspired by me and saying, you know, Jamie, we can't believe, you know, this is who we want to be.
Yeah.
Or wow, you're so confident in your skin. You're so confident in what you wear. I love that you're showing off your body like that, and you know, expressing yourself like that.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, you know, if I'm being an inspiration to all these women, I'm going to do this consistently, no matter how, whatever.
Yeah, haters
anybody
can
feels.
hate. Hey, haters
can
are gonna hate. क्या
Absolutely.
करेंगे?
Absolutely.
So see, struggles are always, I mean, everybody's going through different kinds of struggles. You have a struggle because you want to be thinner. I have a struggle because I want to be bigger.
Yeah.
Because I've always been so skinny. And as a child, I was trolled for the opposite reason. I was
Okay.
skinny.
Super skinny, okay.
So like chipkali
Yeah.
was something
Oh,
that I've
dear
heard a
Lord.
lot. And I was very dark and dull. My skin was very dry and my hair wouldn't grow. I had a boycott till 10th grade.
Okay.
It just wouldn't
Oh, my.
grow, you know.
Okay.
So all those things I've been trolled for. I had buck teeth. I got braces in 10th. Thanks to my dad. He just
Okay.
kept delaying the
Wow.
whole thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know, everybody has their own struggles. And I
Yeah.
think because of a lot of things that we go through as a child, we carry that baggage in today's time, in our older age as well. And everybody's struggling with something or the other, whether it's you, me, or the trolls. So thank you so much for this conversation. I just want to end this chat with a message to the trolls as well as the victims. To the trolls, God bless you, and please understand that you're not the only ones who are struggling. So is everybody else, including the creators that you're following and the celebrities that you're following. And to all the people who are getting affected by trolls, I want to tell you, please don't get so affected, because आजकल का ज़माना ऐसा है कि सोशल मीडिया पर हर किसी को हक है कुछ ना कुछ बोलने का. सब लोग इतना सोचते नहीं हैं बोलने से पहले, ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं बिकॉज उनको लगता है अरे बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी है, हमारे कमेंट पे शायद एक कमेंट आएगा तो हमें थोड़ी अटेंशन मिलेगी. इट्स ओके, इट्स जस्ट नथिंग more than that. But thank you so much. This conversation was very, very meaningful, and I hope people have a lot of takeaways from this. Please tell me what was your favorite part of the conversation down below. Thank you so much, Jamie,
Thank
for
you, Chavi.
coming
Thank
and
you for
joining
having
me.
me.
And this is both of us signing out. You're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. Love and peace from us to you.
Thank you.